Hello and welcome back to the Astronauts to Zippers video series. This is Level 2, Lesson 12. Your teacher will guide you through the lesson. Feel free to pause or repeat sections of the video whenever you need to. And remember, we are proud of you for working hard and learning to read, write, and spell.
First things first, unless you are certain that you know all of the letter names and sounds, sing along with the basic ABC lesson before beginning this lesson. Hello and welcome back. We're going to start today's lesson by opening our workbooks to page 34. On this page, we're going to find out how well you can spell these words that you know. Listen as I say the word, use it in a sentence, and say it again before you write it. Just tap pause while you write your word. Next to the dog, write the word hit. I did not hit him. Hit. Next to the star, write the word cat. I have a black cat. Cat. Next to the dinosaur, write the word sit. May I sit next to you? Sit. Next to the tree, write the word last. He was the last one to come to the party. Last. Next to the eye, write the word scat. I told the dog to scat. Scat. Next to the chair, write the word mats. You can take a nap on the mats. Mats. Next to the cake, write the word anthill. Be careful not to step in an anthill. Anthill. Next to the moon, write the word at. We will be at school all day. At. Next to the turtle, write the word stands. We will sit in the stands at the game. Stands. Next to the cup, write the word ants. The ants got on the cake. Ants. Great job writing. Now you can use this page to check your work and make any necessary corrections. Just tap pause so you can still see it. Excellent. Now it's time to move on and we're going to read a book. Take a look at this book and look at the drawing and read the title. What an interesting title for a book. Let's read. Look at these boys pretending to be Indians who wore feathers in their hair a long time ago. Read the page. Do you remember Cal and Dan from other books? Let's read and see what happens to them. Oh my, Cal and Dan have a special kind of tent called a teepee. Let's read the page. A teepee is a type of home that some native Indians lived in long ago. They wear feathers today for special occasions and celebrations. What are they doing? Read the page. This does not look like much fun. Maybe they're deciding what to do next. Do you see what is about to get onto Cal's mat? Read the page. Poor Cal. Do you think the ants will bite him? Look at the drawing. The ants are on the mat. Read the page. I hope Cal notices the ants soon before he is bitten. Cal looks unhappy. Let's read. Maybe the boys should look more carefully before they put mats down next time. Great job reading. Now open your workbook to page 35. Read the title of this exercise. That is the same as the title of the book that you just read. I think this exercise is to see what you remember about the book. Read the words in the box and then read sentence number 1. Just tap pause while you do so. Did you notice that the word anthill is written in the first sentence? You are to read each sentence and fill in the blank with a word from the box that makes the sentence tell about something that was in the book.
Please pause the video here as long as you need to, so you can complete the task.
What do you see in the drawings? Correct. These are turkeys and tables. What is the beginning sound of the word turkey and table? Right. These words begin with the sound T. This is a fun test of your ability to listen and follow directions. Don't begin until I have told you all 3 things to do, okay? 1. Draw a circle around the picture that has the turkey on the table. 2. Draw a square around the drawing that shows the turkey under the table. And 3. Color the drawing that shows the turkey behind the table. You may begin. Just pause the video until you finish. Great. Now use this page to check and correct your work. Pause the video until you finish. Now you're going to practice writing your new words on this page. Think about the sound of the letters as you write.
Please pause the video here as long as you need to, so you can complete the task.
Excellent work. Now we're on to page 37. On this page, a part of a word that you know is on each line. You are to blend the sounds together. Say each word starter to yourself, and then add the letter sound or letter sound cluster to say a real word. Let's do the first one together. Say the sound of the letter C. And say the sound of A. Put these together to say ca. Now, if you add the sound of M, you would say cam. Is cam a word that you know? No. So let's try the next letter, N. Add N to ca to say can. Is this a word that you know? Yes. So add the letter N to the first word starter. Mark out each letter or letter cluster as you use it. Pause the video until you finish your work. Great job. Now use this page to check and correct your work. When you have finished, you've reached the end of yet another lesson. Excellent work.
Congratulations, you have completed Lesson 12 of Level 2. You may review it as many times as you wish. When you're ready to continue to the next lesson, select video number 37.